Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to set up the RayNet CRM app inside your sub account. So let's get started. Once you search for the app at the level of marketplace, you go at the install, allow install, and here you have to provide all the credentials in order to get the installation going. So let's do it right away. Provide the email address, your name, and you paste the key, and you continue, and you have success, which means the tool is already installed. Now, what you can do is just to go at the level of custom page to check the tool. But before we get there, let's refresh the app. Here we are. So let's scroll down. There you go. Perfect. We have the new interface. Let's start with the documentation. If you go at View, we provide you all the steps that you're supposed to follow in order to set up the app. And next, we have the tutorials. Here you have this smart Q guide. It's going to show you how to get all the credentials. And down here you have the video, the setup video. And finally, the setup that where you can check the status of the app. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you ever have any question, feel free to reach our support team who's available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching this video, guys.